everyone, so we're just going to go ahead and quickly show you how we can create a property profile using our Pacific Coast Instant Profile app. So when we open up the app, just like you see here, you're going to have your menu on your left. It'll bring back your left-hand menu. So we're actually going to go to properties today, and as you can see, we can search by map, address, owner name, or APN. So really, when you search by a map, it's actually going to bring up the map, and you can pretty much zoom in, zoom out, move your map around, and pretty much drop a pin on any building that you want to see the actual information to. But something that's a little bit easier to use is just the actual search feature by address. So let's go ahead and use that one, and let's say we search my property. All right, so all you need is the street address and a zip code. All right, and when we do that, we hit our search button. All right, it's going to say locating information. So again, depending on how good the internet connection is where you are at, will it bring it up. So there's our tiny little home. So it's also going to give you basically an area sales analysis to let you know exactly what the average beds, baths, and sales price is for the area. So if you want to go and find out more information about this property, you can click on details and characteristics. All right, so it'll give you all the property details, owner information, the characteristics of the house. Okay, if we go back, the transaction history. Okay, exactly there. Comparables. On the comps, all right, it's going to show you pretty much the history of the area. It's going to give you a map of where all the comparables are located, and then if we scroll up, here are all the actual comparables. Now what's really cool is if you wanted to run a property profile on any of these comparables, all you'd have to do is click on this little blue link here, and it will actually pull up that property profile. Now let's go ahead and continue on. Right, neighbors is just similar to comparables, where it's showing you all of the properties surrounding the subject property. Only difference is it won't give you any of the recent sale data. So again, there isn't much use for that section, but it's definitely there and available. The plat map, as you can see, pulls up the plat map. Now, looking up docs. So in the transaction history, right, you'll be able to see this little blue link that when you click on it, before it would actually pull up the document. Now it actually does this where you actually send it as a request and it processes it in the background, because what was happening was the request would time out and it would basically cause the app to crash. So they found out this is just a much more efficient way of doing it, and then it'll definitely arrive in the email probably within a minute to a minute and a half. So you definitely still have that capability without kind of losing functionality. Now, if we wanted to email this property profile to a client, all we have to do is click our little button here on the right hand side. All right, we click email report, and it's going to go ahead and bring up your email client. Okay. And you can see here are all the details of the property profile in a very nice HTML email. And then all that we have to do is go ahead and enter who we want it to send to. And this little button will light up, and then we send it off just like that. So that's how easy it is to basically create your own property profile. We hope this helps. Thanks, guys.